we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ECOSELF Air Purifiers, that's include 2X-Power filtration for large rooms. The 2X-Power filtration system purifies the air twice per hour for large living areas up to 1,295 square feet, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles, ensuring a smoke-free, dust-free, aerogen-free, and odor-free environment for you and your family. Intelligent comfort with AQI display. Features a PM2.5 display and infrared sensor to monitor air quality in real time, automatically adjusting fan speed for a clean and safe environment. Ideal for combating wildfire smoke and pet odors, it keeps you informed about your air's health at a glance. Quiet and aroma for tranquil sleep. Enjoy peaceful nights with our 22 decibels quiet max sleep mode and aromatherapy function. Operating at an ultra-low noise level, it ensures minimal disturbance while enhancing relaxation with gentle aromas, creating a serene environment for your restful sleep. Smart air care and effortless maintenance. Experience peace of mind with our air purifier, offering versatile settings like timer, fan speed, auto mode, sleep mode, and lock controls for consistent performance. A filter indicator for effortless maintenance. For best product performance, PLS purchase ECOSELF official replacement filter. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.